In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a store on Payhip. Whether you're an artist, writer, or entrepreneur, setting up your own online store can be a game changer for reaching a wider audience and boosting your sales. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to sign up for a free account on Payhip. Simply head over to payhip.com, and there you'll find a button that says, Get Started for Free. Give it a click, and you'll be taken to a registration page. Here, you'll need to fill in your personal details. It's a straightforward process, so no worries. Just ensure your information is accurate to avoid any hassles later on. Once done, you're officially part of the Payhip community and ready to take the next step. Now that you've got your account, it's time to launch the store builder. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look for the Store tab. Clicking on it will give you the option to launch your store builder. If, for some reason, you find yourself lost, you can always navigate through Account and select Store Builder. Either way, you'll reach the same spot. The Store Builder is your playground. It's where you'll shape and customize your store to match your vision. Here's where the real fun begins: customizing your store design. The Store Builder is a powerful drag-and-drop editor designed to make your life easier. You don't need to be a tech wizard to navigate it. Start by choosing from an array of pre-built sections that can enhance the overall look of your store. You might want to add a video section to showcase a product demonstration or a gallery to highlight your portfolio of work. Testimonials are key if you want to add credibility and attract more buyers. But that's not all. You can also customize colors and fonts to align with your brand identity. Think about the impression you want to give your customers. Do you want something playful and vibrant, or perhaps a more minimalist and serene vibe? The choice is yours. To add a personal touch, consider adding custom pages. An About page can humanize your brand by telling your story, while an FAQ page might address common customer queries, reducing the number of inquiries you get. If you're feeling creative, why not add a blog page to share insights or updates about your products? Before you finalize everything, take advantage of the preview function. It allows you to view your store in both desktop and mobile settings. Today, many people shop on their phones, so it's crucial your store looks and functions well on all devices. Make any adjustments needed to ensure everything is aligned and visually appealing. There you have it, your very own Payhip store, ready to showcase your products to the world. It's simple, effective, and best of all, customizable to suit your unique style. Happy selling!